Hello, hello, good evening. And today I have a guest, and I'm so glad she's my mentor. And I think past 2 years we are traveling together, and I'm so glad Simran is there in our page today. And she's from Winnipeg, and today I think her journey, because she has got more experience, and she overcome many challenges and all those stuff, and she overcome, and today she will share her insights, how she's moving in this business. And she will also told that she will have a talk in Hindi as well. And I think I have told her that we are from India, and we have audience who really wants to know our business in Hindi. And she said yes, we can do it together today. And thank you, Simran, and being on my page today. And thank you so much, and being a mentor so far, the way you guide us, really we are thankful to you. And over to you, Simran.
Thank you, Ati. Thank you for such a beautiful introduction. Thank you. Yes, so Hindi, that's me. मेरा नाम सिमरन है और मैं भी इंडिया से ही हूँ. I am from Delhi and currently living Winnipeg, Central Canada. और अथी और मैं ऑनलाइन ही मिले थे and that's how we met and started business together. Like I started before her, then she joined, and it's an amazing journey. Teaching people जो सीखना चाहते हैं, and that's an amazing thing, right? Some people come in, they don't want to learn, but Athi is someone जो सीखना चाहती है, right? So I'm happy to mentor you. Yes, it's been a beautiful journey.
Thank you, Simran. And today, just we wanted to, we will discuss that, this side hustle, because you are also working full time and I'm also working full time. And I think there are moms, and, really they, for a few reasons, sometimes they stay at home, and, they're working individuals, really they are looking for side hustle. How this particular digital business suit our day-to-day life, because we have three roles, right? We are having mom, and we work as a full-time person, and on top of it, as a side hustle we are doing. How it is, can you please throw your ideas and experience?
Sure. So yes, मॉम तो होती मल्टीटास्किंग है राइट. मैंने अपनी मॉम को भी देखा है, जॉब, kids, घर को देखना, सब कुछ करना, and moms are like that. So that's how we manage to. Yes, by profession, मैं एक accounting background से हूँ and currently working as well. And mom of two beautiful kids, and on the top, all your responsibilities हैं, and I'm managing business at the same time. How? It's called time management. Priorities, right? And on the top, जो हमारा business platform है, it's not a job जिसमें आपको लॉग इन करना 8 बजे और 5 बजे तक आपको काम करना कंप्यूटर के बैठ के. बिजनेस उस तरीके से काम नहीं करता. सो बिग बिजनेस बैक एंड में इवन मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रही हूँ, कहीं वेकेशन पे गई हूँ, इवन बैक होम इंडिया गई हूँ, कहीं कहीं पर भी हूँ, बिजनेस स्टिल कीप रनिंग. क्यों? क्योंकि वो ऑनलाइन है, एक ट्रेडिशनल स्टोर नहीं है, ऑनलाइन है, और वो ऑटोमेशन पे चलता है. सो ये बिजनेस एक क्लिक फनल, लाइक सेल्स फनल कॉन्सेप्ट पे चलता है बिजनेस, राइट? सो आप मार्केटिंग करते हो, आप कंटेंट शेयर करते हो. राइट नाउ हम लोग बिजनेस के बारे में शेयर कर रहे हैं, लोग वॉच करते हैं, फिर इंक्वायरीज करते हैं, राइट? तो हमारा काम इस बिजनेस में, बिजनेस इज ऑलरेडी सेट अप फॉर यू. 90% सब कुछ आपको बना बनाया मिलता है. आपने इस बिजनेस में प्लग इन करके अपना काम करना है. वो जो आपका जॉब है वो मार्केटिंग का है, राइट? सो उसके लिए आपको सारा दिन कंप्यूटर पे बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप अपने पूरे दिन के पॉकेट्स ऑफ टाइम, राइट, थोड़ा टाइम यहाँ, थोड़ा टाइम यहाँ, जितनी बारी भी आप फोन उठाते हो, टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं लोग, रील्स देखते हैं, फालतू की वीडियोस इधर उधर लोगों को सेंड करते हैं, उससे कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा, राइट? इस बिजनेस में आप वो टाइम अपना यूज करके आप बिजनेस को सीख सकते हैं, और वो जो हम लोग, हमें ट्रेनिंग जो मिलती है उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करके कुछ लर्न कर सकते हैं. एंड यू आर बिल्डिंग योर ओन बिजनेस जिससे आपको अर्निंग्स होती है, राइट? सो मैनेज आपको खुद करना पड़ता है एंड एवरीबडी कैन मैनेज इट. इट्स नॉट अ जॉब, क्योंकि और ऑनलाइन की वजह से इजीली मैनेजेबल है. अगर मुझे आज कोई कहे कि मुझे एक जॉब के साथ एक बिजनेस करना है, पहले तो मैं यही कहूंगी, ओ नो, मेरे से तो नहीं हो सकता, मेरे पास ऑलरेडी जॉब है, बच्चे है, घर है, कैसे मैं बिजनेस करूंगी, राइट? मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था मैं कर पाऊंगी. बट जब ये ऑनलाइन था और इतनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के साथ है और फोन से चलता है, राइट, मेरे को लाइक आई डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एल्स. मेरे पास फोन है, मेरा बिजनेस चल रहा है, और फोन हर किसी के हाथ में है आजकल, राइट? तो आपका बिजनेस आपके साथ चलता है, सो इट्स वेरी इजली मैनेजेबल दैट वे.
Simran, I wanted to say you something because when before I come into this business, I think I asked you many questions, right? And I think I appreciate your patience. I think maybe over a period, I too learned that, and at that I wanted to tell because the reason I am not a tech savvy person, right? And before I could join, I have asked about this, and I think that's it is proved that that training. I am not at all from a social media background person, but today I am so glad that I learned the social media skill, right? Because our training module is in such a way it is created for the everyday person, right? Not that person really has to have some degree or something. It's not like that, right? And the best part, the training also, whenever we feel like we can able to go through, right? And
Exactly.
because not that specific time I need to allocate, and I no need to commit. Yes, I do commit 1 to 2 hours in a day as per my wish, but at the same note that there is no constructive time I need to give. It's not like that. And the because the training is video based,
Right.
and that is really as say the person, because I when I join I really don't know anything, but really it helped me a lot. And yes, of course, that really I wanted to tell. If anybody has, because sometimes people are asking that, hey, I don't have any technical skills, I'm
Right.
really scared of social media. And today I am the live I can say that because I am not at all from that background, but today I'm very confident that I can work in social media and I can use various platforms. And addition to that, that our training has got the updated version, right? Not that it was done 9 years back, 10 years back, after that we are going to the old school. It's not like that. Whenever there is an update in the platform, and we are getting the updates through our every weekly we have that masterminds and all those stuff, and we are getting updates, right? And that is also that we no need to again we no need to allocate some time. That is also, if we cannot able to watch it, we can able to do the replay, right? And
That's so.
additionally, recent days you see our system has we have did some transition in our system, right? We move back to the updated version of the system, and we have got daily drop-ins and all those stuff. Right
Right.
now, if people don't know how to make content and all those stuff, we can attend some classes. People
Everything.
don't know, if they don't know how to do advertisement, they can attend the class. Because why I am very very attached with the training, because I know, right, when I was not having that skill, today I got benefited with that. That's what I'm very I am attached with that.
Yeah.
And one more thing, that being a mentor, that when we have our weekly meeting, when you give some task to us, right, I know at least we try to do something, one task, two tasks, to implement it, right? That is
Right.
really really motivation for us.
Right, एग्जैक्टली. ट्रेनिंग इट्स वेरी लाइक क्या कहते हैं, यूजर फ्रेंडली एंड बहुत ही लाइक बिगनर फ्रेंडली है. सो उसके लिए आपको ये नहीं है कि किसी क्वालिफिकेशन की पहले जरूरत है, आपको कोई डिग्री लेनी है कि मार्केटिंग में कैसे करते हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं इस बैकग्राउंड से मैं भी नहीं हूँ, अति भी नहीं है, कोई भी नहीं है. बट हमें देखना है कहाँ दुनिया जा रही है. द वर्ल्ड इज मूविंग ऑनलाइन, राइट? हमें टाइम के साथ चेंज करना है अपने आप को, राइट? इफ यू थिंक लाइक आप एक सिचुएशन में हैं, आप चेंज चाहते हैं, could be your career, you want a career change, और आपका करियर ब्रेक हुआ है, काफी टाइम आपने कोई काम ही नहीं किया है, एंड यू हैव सच ए बिग करियर गैप, राइट? बच्चों की वजह से या मूवमेंट की वजह से, जो भी रीजन है, राइट? देन मॉम्स फील लाइक दे हैव लॉस्ट पर्सनल ग्रोथ, देयर सेल्फ, राइट? सो दिस business gives you like personal development, right? You grow so much, you learn, you grow, you become a different person, right?
Right.
So anybody can do it. It needs willingness. सीखने की जिसके अंदर चाहत हो तो बंदा कर ही लेता है.
Right. And Suran, I wanted to talk about the ad. Whenever I wanted to put ad, people, I wanted to clarify something with everybody. When I say, what do you do? They ask me that, what is that you're supposed to do? I said, we use social media platform to create ad so that, through online, we do marketing. We don't do any selling. We do the marketing, right? They thought ad means we need to do something. No, they see ads in the TV and all those stuff, right? No, that's not. We are not modeling on nothing like that as such, right? We talk about the business
Yeah.
through the advertisement. That's how it is. I still remember sometimes after I come back from work, my late shifts, we sit together, work for an hour, to understand,
Exactly.
really, that mentorship and the coaching in this business really, helps, like people really don't know and they are stepping into the business. Really, they help them. That gives good confidence, right? The
Right.
mentorship and coaching, yes, I think we pay that one time pay of 149 USD, but for that lifetime, we as long we are there in the business, we
Yeah.
get that coaching and mentor support. Just imagine, do we get that in any other business or anything? It cannot be lifelong for 149 to run our backend system, right? That's not
That's
possible. But
yeah.
in this business, yes, right?
Yeah, exactly. It costs a lot of money in the back end. Our mentors, our coaches, our leaders are doing all that for us, right? Because everybody हमारी community में एक दूसरे की help करना चाहता है. We are not here कि बंदों को बस इकट्ठा करना है, business में लेकर आना है. ये हमारा motive नहीं है. हमारा motive है business works, business is working, it's proven. हमारा motive है लोगों को share करना कि business है, आके देखो, check it out and change. If you're looking for a change, ये आपके लिए है, and we are here to support you and guide you, right? So yes, mentorship and coaching goes long way.
Correct. And the global community and anytime that 24 by 7 access, right? Say example,
Right.
when we are busy with something and what we do immediately, then, we can approach, the other
Exactly.
business partner to, that assistance is really amazing, right?
Right.
And
That's right. So it's not just me. If I'm not there, Ati can reach out to the coach. There are other mentors in the community. So किसी से भी आपको कोई question है, कुछ भी है, आप किसी से भी reach out कर सकते हैं. And everybody is there to help, to support, right? So इसमें और even leaders खुद आके masterminds में share करते हैं उन्होंने क्या ऐसा किया है, क्या कर रहे हैं कि उनको success मिल रहा है और वो हमसे share करते हैं ताकि हम भी अपने business में apply करें. Everybody is trying to help everybody to grow.
that's right.
Right.
And can you able to tell that in this business on a day-to-day basis, what are the tasks? As I mentioned, 1 to 2 hours we need to spend, right? What
Yeah.
is the task? Sometimes people want to know that, what is the task you have to do daily in this business? Because we told this is not a job, it's a
Right.
business, right? Then what is the task we need to do?
Okay, so that comes down to हमारा जो business page है, right? ये live भी एक हमारे business page से हमारे personal pages पे नहीं हो रहा. हमारा एक business page है जो हमारा एक store है. ठीक है, ये एक स्टोर है जैसे एक ट्रेडिशनल दुकान होती है वैसी हमारी ये स्टोर है ऑनलाइन. सो हमारा जो ये पेज है हम उसे एक्टिव रखते हैं. कैसे एक्टिव रखते हैं? एक पोस्ट डाल के, और पोस्ट एक एजुकेशनल पोस्ट जो इंफॉर्मेशन देती है लोगों को एक बिजनेस के बारे में, एंड कमिंग लाइव लाइक दिस एंड शेयरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट? कंटेंट, हम कंटेंट क्रिएट करते हैं ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि अथी कुछ कर रही है बिजनेस, तो आप भी आके चेक करो, देखो बिजनेस बढ़िया है. दैट्स व्हाई शी इज स्टिल डूइंग इट फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 years, राइट? सो यस, पोस्टिंग, कंटेंट क्रिएशन, और वो भी सब कुछ आपको, इतना कुछ आपको ट्रेनिंग में प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. पूरी सपोर्ट मिलती है कैसे करना है, कौन से टूल्स यूज करने हैं, उस चीज की भी आपको पूरी ट्रेनिंग मिलती है कैसे पोस्ट आप करने हैं, राइट? दैट इज द बेसिक पोस्टिंग. एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस, और जब आप मार्केटिंग शुरू करते हैं, अपनी एडवर्टाइजिंग शुरू करते हैं, तो आपकी एड्स रन होती है सोशल मीडिया पे, राइट? तो उन एड्स से आपको इंक्वायरीज आती हैं. तो इंक्वायरीज कौन होते हैं? वो आपके पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स होते हैं जो आप ही की तरह एक ऑनलाइन बिजनेस ढूंढ रहे हैं. तो वो जब आपको रीच आउट करते हैं तो आपका काम होता है उनको गाइड करना, उनको प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन देना, उन्हें डायरेक्ट करना. अपने हमारा जो फ्री वेबिनार होता है एवरी ट्यूसडे और थर्सडे, उसको उनको डायरेक्ट करना कि वो वॉच करें, उनको कोई भी क्वेश्चन है वो बात भी कर सकते हैं, और प्रॉपर स्टेप्स को फॉलो करना. सो बेसिकली अभी तक तो स्टार्टिंग में तो यही होता है. एज यू मूव फॉरवर्ड आपको फिर कोचिंग कॉल्स में आप आते हैं, जब आपका बिजनेस पार्टनर्स आते हैं, देन यू बिकम ए मेंटर. दीज आर ऑल द स्टेप्स, लाइक आगे as you grow, those are all the steps that come in, right? Then you have your own team, you're helping your other people. Right now I'm helping Athi, then helping Athi is also helping her team, right? So that's how the mentorship worked. So basically these are only the tasks. Every time I pick up my phone, either I'm answering an inquiry or helping my team. I stop wasting time on social media scrolling and looking at funny videos because usse mujhe koi fayda nahi hona, right? So that's all we do. Everything else is set up for us. जिस बंदे ने हमारी एडवर्टाइजिंग देखी है वो रजिस्टर भी कर लेते हैं. हमारी वेबसाइट चल रही है, मुझे नहीं चलानी, अपने आप सिस्टम पीछे से चल रहा है, वेबसाइट चल रही है, हमारा सेल्स फनल चल रहा है, एवरीथिंग, ऑल द ईमेल्स आर रनिंग. मैं बैठ के ईमेल्स टाइप नहीं कर रही हूँ, ऑटोमेटिकली ईमेल्स आर ऑलरेडी डन फॉर यू, राइट? तो अपने आप सिस्टम से जा रही हैं. सो मुझे कुछ नहीं उसमें करना. मेरा काम सिर्फ इतना ही होता कि कंटेंट क्रिएशन एंड शेयरिंग द बिजनेस विद अदर्स, और जिनकी इंक्वायरीज आती है उनके हक. डे टू डे में हमारा बस यही टास्क है. और लर्न करना, हमारी ट्रेनिंग ऑल द टाइम, मास्टरमाइंड्स होते हैं, तो आप कभी भी प्लग इन करके आप ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हो, नया कुछ सीख सकते हो उसमें, और बहुत कुछ सीखने को है.
Thank
Right?
you. Well explained. And just I wanted to tell the steps that if really anybody wants to wants to start the side hustle with us, they can register their email ID and the name. That's the number one step. Then number two, once they registered in our system, we will send that business model to them so that they can see in that business model. They can see how this business work, how our sales funnel work, how our sales funnel close the the marketing, that pre-built marketing tools. They can able to see, they can explore the success stories of the business partners across the globe, right? Those things they can explore. Then if they are okay, and if they wanted to have some questions, they can meet us in Zoom or Google Meet. We are ready to do the virtual meeting with them. Then the second step, they can pay the 149 USD to get the business model. Can you able to tell that if when we pay 149 USD, what is that we are offering to them?
Okay, so this is 149 USD. Okay, so it's not Canadian, it's not Indian rupees or anything, it's USD. Why? बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि USD में क्यों है, कि क्योंकि USD एक ऐसी करेंसी है जो ग्लोबली रिकॉग्नाइज की जाती है. हमारा बिजनेस ग्लोबल है, so that's why it's USD. एंड जब आप ये पे करते हैं तो आपको एक इंफॉर्मेशन पैकेज मिलता है. उसी ईमेल पे आपको एक तो रिसीद आएगी आपको आपकी 149 की, और दूसरा आपको पूरा बिजनेस का पैकेज मिलता है. बिजनेस पैकेज क्या है? ब्लूप्रिंट है बिजनेस का, कि आप एक बिजनेस की फ्रेंचाइज ले रहे हो तो आपको पहले देखना होगा कि बिजनेस कैसे रन होता है, इनकम स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, कैसे मैं कमाऊंगा, अगर मैं कहाँ से शुरू करता हूँ और मेरी इनकम कैसे होगी. वो सब चीजें आपको उस बिजनेस पैकेज में दिखाया जाता है, समझाया जाता है. इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म बिजनेस प्लान. पूरा आपको पूरे लेवल्स एंड एवरीथिंग आपको उसके अंदर समझाया जाता है, राइट? तो वो पूरा आप बिजनेस प्लान देखते हो, हम आपको अपनी कम्युनिटी के ग्रुप में ऐड करते हैं. आप और जो लोग इस बिजनेस को ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं उनकी स्टोरीज देखते हो, तो आपको मोर पता चलता है कि इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी और आथी, देयर इज लाइक hundreds and thousands of people that globally doing this business very successfully, right? तो ये सब चीजें आप एक्सप्लोर करते हो. और ये 30 डेज का ट्रायल पीरियड होता है. अगर आपको नहीं पसंद आया जो भी आपने देखा तो आप अपने मनी बैक ले सकते हो, नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड, कोई आपको रोकेगा नहीं. बट अगर आप आगे बढ़ते हो, अगर आप अपने पेपर वर्क सबमिट करते हो, कोचिंग कॉल पे आते हो, देन this money goes towards building your website, giving you a sales funnel, all the system जो tools की हम बात कर रहे हैं वो सब कुछ 149 में for life cover होता है. So where can you get this kind of a thing, right? 149 अभी आप like restaurant में जाओ, family of 4, it just like that's a cost for a bill for a dinner, right? And people spend it like that, but this is a lifetime opportunity for them to earn and learn at the same time, right? Yeah, that's what 149 basically gives you for your chance to explore the business.
That's right. But I wanted to say something on this, that this is the only business model they can explore the business model, and if that's not for them,
Yeah.
they can able to
They
they
can
can go back, right? This,
exactly.
1 minute.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry about it. That's what sometimes, no, they can explore it. If they don't need, then they can able to, return to us, right? And
Exactly. It's
there is no
like a
question
movie.
asked.
Yeah, like a movie. Like if you go and watch a movie, right? You got a ticket, you went and watched the movie, but if you don't like the movie, theater don't return your money. They आपके पैसे तो गए, even आपको मूवी पसंद आई कि नहीं है, पैसे तो चले गए, पैसे कभी रिटर्न नहीं होते. बट इस बिजनेस में आप अंदर आके सब कुछ देख के सब कुछ ए टू जेड देख के अगर आपको नहीं पसंद आता फिर भी आप अपने पैसे वापस, तो आप कुछ लूज नहीं कर रहे इसमें, गेन ही कर रहे हो, इन्फॉर्मेशन ही मिल रही है, कुछ लूज नहीं किया आपने इसमें.
That's right. That's right. And once if that 149 is done, then they can see everything. Then there exactly that all the compensation plan and the company which we partnered with and all those details are explained, because sometimes people wanted to know that, hey, just you tell me that what you do and in a 5 minutes just to give a brief. I say that, hey, this is the franchisee business model that cannot be briefed within 5 minutes. If I do so, you may not get the entire package, right? And
Yeah,
it's a business model. See, when you run a store, can you only look only for 5 minutes? No, right? To
yeah,
get the location, to get the approval, we run around, we work,
yeah,
again and again, we move around and we see it, right? But
yeah,
at least in that 0.5%, we need to allocate the time to see it, right? And
exactly.
sometimes they say that, what is the investment we have to do? That's how I said, please look at the model, and it is affordable in every level. And
Yeah,
which is
so yeah,
affordable with us,
yeah,
we can able to choose it, right? It's very simple. How much we wanted to earn, it's in our hand. Based on that, everything is mentioned
exactly.
over there, right?
Yeah,
That's what always I say. Please look at the business model, then it's good,
that's right. So the
right?
package is all dependent on you. You are the one who will be deciding where you want to start with, because we have options for every person. Everyone has their own income goals and how they want to start and everything, so everything will be presented to you. सब कुछ आपको दिखाया जाता है जो आप 149 पे करते हो, और आप खुद चूज करोगे. हम आपको गाइड करेंगे what is best for you, but at the end of the day decision आपका ही होगा कि आप कहाँ से शुरू करना चाहते हैं. So it's anybody can do it. It's nothing that you have to really think about it. It's very affordable, but the income is amazing. I have seen people doing traditional businesses spending lot of money, but उसके बाद पता नहीं कितने साल वो अपने लोन ही उतारते रहते हैं. प्रॉफिट तो पता नहीं कब आएगा, पता अपना लोन ही उतारते रहते हैं, right? So it's nothing like that in this business. It's much affordable for sure.
And there's a last question I wanted to ask you. That people say that we say, example, I do business in Canada today. Say when I go for vacation, can I able to do that when I go when I travel? That's a question many times they ask.
Exactly. Not just travel, even if you change countries. So for sure, when you're traveling, your phone, as I said, the business runs from your phone. So even if you're traveling, the business is going with you. It's not going to stop. Your income is not going to stop. Nothing is going to stop. And on the top, if you change countries, I have seen people, I'm coming across people that have moved from Canada to some other country. They are taking their business with them. All we have to do is fill out the paper form. It's a requirement, legal requirement, to change your paperwork, change your location, because now you will be paying taxes to their government, right? So as you change your country or anywhere, we do change it. So it's global. You can take your business anywhere. There is no boundaries.
Even our day-to-day task also, as long you have proper internet and
Yeah,
laptop or smartphone, we can answer our leads and all those stuff
exactly.
whenever we get a travel. Because I stay I every day I need to travel to downtown in train, because most of my business task carries out in the train. That's how
Yeah,
I complete my job,
yeah,
rather scrolling down and looking after reels and all those stuff. I'm
Yeah,
investing my time towards to my business, right?
exactly.
That's the benefit of the with this business, especially people are working full time and traveling a
Yes,
lot and all those stuff,
that's
right?
right.
And
Any pockets of time you have, you can do your business. Yeah.
right. And would you like to say any advice to the audience? Really, people are watching us for quite some time,
Yeah.
right? And would you like to share something?
Sure, like especially people we're doing live on Athi's page और अथी की पेज पे lot of people watch कर रहे हैं और करते हैं बाद में replay भी देखते हैं and they always wonder क्या कर रही है ये like what kind of business and everything, right? And some reach out and then they phrase off like फिर आगे नहीं कुछ question पूछते, but you need to come out and do your due diligence to find out everything. Take the steps that been advised to you because that is the proper way it's all been done and it is fair to you कि आप properly सारी information ले रहे हैं because हम आपको आधी चीजें बताएंगे आधी नहीं बताएंगे फिर आपको कहोगे कि आपने मुझे ये तो बताया नहीं ये नहीं बताया तो इससे better कि आप खुद ही सारी information लोगे तो it's better for you. So if you're watching, if you're wondering, if you're really looking for a change, अगर आप भी ढूंढ रहे हैं कोई change, even you're working full time or you're not working or anything, reach out, explore the business, and see if it's a good fit for you or not. Nothing comes from the comfort zone. You have to come out of your comfort zone and reach out. And it's a great opportunity for anyone. You muted, Ati.
I wanted to thank Christina and they're watching us and gang. Thank you so much for watching us. And once again, thank you, Simran, for all your insights.
Thank
And
you.
thank you all for watching us. And maybe 15, 20 days after, again, we will see you all in the live.
For sure. For sure. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thanks, Ati.
Thank you.
Bye.